Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue when attempting to delete a file on your Windows computer. And it says that the file is too big to recycle. Do you want to permanently delete it? And this error would occur on Windows 10, Windows 11, and likely earlier versions of Windows as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the recycling bin and you want to select properties. So you want to go ahead and select the drive if there's more than one available that the recycling bin is on here. And you want to select where it says custom size. So the maximum size is too small in megabytes. You may want to consider increasing it. So obviously depending on how large your hard drive is, you might want to make the recycling bin larger. Remember 1024 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. So just if you want to think about the conversion there, you would enter in the new value and then you would select apply and OK. I would also suggest actually deleting items from your recycling bin periodically. You shouldn't be accumulating a lot of files you want to keep in the recycling bin. It kind of defeats the whole purpose of it. So if you want to empty the recycling bin, you could just right click on it and then select empty recycling bin if there was anything inside of it, which there is not at this time. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.